The DJI Avata 3 is one of the most anticipated FPV drones of the year, with rumors and leaks sparking excitement among drone enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Avata 2, this next-generation drone is expected to push the boundaries of FPV technology and redefine what's possible in aerial filmmaking and flying. With potential upgrades in camera performance, stabilization, and user-friendly features, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be a game-changer for both professionals and hobbyists. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about its specs, rumored price, and potential release date. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the Avata 3 is its camera system. The Avata 2 impressed users with its 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording. However, the Avata 3 is expected to feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade would enhance image clarity, color depth, and low-light performance, making it a valuable tool for professional videographers seeking cinematic quality footage. Additionally, DJI may introduce advanced color grading profiles or raw video support, giving users greater flexibility during post-production. Battery life is another critical aspect where the Avata 3 could shine. While the Avata 2 offers a solid 23-minute flight time, advancements in battery technology could extend this to nearly 30 minutes. Coupled with more efficient motors and improved power management, this enhancement would cater to both recreational pilots and professionals who require extended aerial sessions for their projects. The prospect of longer flight times adds immense value to the overall flying experience. Stabilization is a cornerstone of DJI's FPV drones, and the Avata 3 is rumored to elevate it further. The Avata 2's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems already provide impressive stabilization, but the addition of a mechanical gimbal could make the Avata 3 stand out. This would ensure smoother footage, even during high-speed maneuvers or abrupt directional changes. For FPV pilots looking to capture dynamic, high-energy shots, such advancements would be revolutionary. Another exciting feature could be an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. While the Avata 2 features limited detection, the Avata 3 might introduce omnidirectional sensors for 360-degree obstacle detection. This would significantly reduce collision risks and make navigating tight spaces, urban environments, or forested areas much safer. For beginners, this feature would provide greater confidence, and for professionals, it would allow for more complex flight paths with reduced stress. DJI is also rumored to improve the transmission system with the introduction of O4 technology, building on the Avata 2's O3 Plus system. This upgrade would enhance live feed resolution, reduce latency, and extend the range, enabling pilots to fly farther while maintaining a crystal-clear connection. For FPV enthusiasts, these improvements would make the flying experience more immersive and reliable. Performance-wise, the Avata 3 is expected to bring faster speeds and improved agility, thanks to upgraded propulsion systems. More powerful motors and optimized aerodynamics could make it a top choice for freestyle pilots who demand responsiveness, and for filmmakers capturing fast-paced, high-energy scenes. These enhancements would cater to a wide range of users, from casual flyers to seasoned professionals. User-friendly features are another hallmark of DJI drones, and the Avata 3 is likely to continue this trend. Rumored updates include simplified controls, enhanced flight modes, and potential AI-powered flight assistance. Automated subject tracking, pre-programmed cinematic flight paths, and upgrades to the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller could make the Avata 3 even more accessible and enjoyable for pilots of all skill levels. As for the release date, DJI has not made any official announcements, but industry experts speculate a mid to late 2025 launch. DJI's history of updating its product lines every 1 to 2 years supports this prediction. Regarding pricing, it's expected to fall between $1,500 and $2,000, depending on the features and bundles offered. While the exact details remain unconfirmed, the excitement surrounding the Avata 3 is palpable. The DJI Avata 3 promises to revolutionize FPV drone technology with its rumored advancements in camera performance, stabilization, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and user-friendly features. What do you think? Are the rumored features enough to get you excited? What's up, drone enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some really exciting news to share about one of the most anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Air 4. Now, there have been some juicy leaks and rumors floating around, and it looks like this drone is going to be packed with some seriously impressive features. So, if you're a fan of aerial photography or just a tech lover, stick around because we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to continue the legacy of the Air series, which means we're expecting a sleek, foldable, and super compact design. This makes it perfect for those who love traveling light while still capturing breathtaking shots from the sky. One thing we're hearing from the rumor mill is that the Air 4 could be even lighter than the Air 3, which weighed in at 720 grams. So not only will it be super portable, but it might also be more agile and easier to maneuver in the air. Now, let's talk about what might be the most exciting upgrade, the cameras. Rumors suggest that both of the Air 4's cameras could feature larger 1-inch sensors. For those of you not familiar, larger sensors typically mean better image quality, especially in low-light situations. This could be a game changer for anyone who shoots in challenging lighting environments, like early morning sunrises or just after sunset when the light is fading fast. But that's not all. Another exciting rumor is that the Air 4 could include a variable aperture, giving you more control over exposure and depth of field. Imagine being able to adjust your aperture mid-flight for perfect exposure or to get those buttery smooth background blurs. This could seriously elevate your aerial shots to a whole new level. For video creators, the Air 4 could come with 4K video capture at high frame rates, making it ideal for fast-paced action. Whether you're filming sports, wildlife, or even just dynamic landscapes, this will give you the ability to slow things down while still maintaining crisp, high-quality footage. There's also speculation that DJI could introduce a mechanical shutter, which would be huge for aerial mapping and reducing distortion when filming fast-moving objects. So, if you're into high-speed action, this could be a really important feature. Of course, DJI drones are known for their advanced flight features, and the Air 4 seems like it's going to push things even further. Rumors point to enhanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, meaning it'll be safer to fly even in the trickiest environments. Not only does this make flying more reliable, but it's especially important for those who love flying in complex environments, whether it's in the middle of the woods, between buildings, or even indoors. And let's not forget about battery life. Leaks are suggesting the Air 4 could have a flight time of up to 50 minutes, which would be a solid upgrade over the Air 3's already impressive 46 minutes. Another area where the Air 4 could really shine is its transmission system. While we don't have all the details just yet, it's likely that DJI will retain key features from the Air 3, such as omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track for intelligent subject tracking, and an improved return-to-home function. Active track is a fan favorite, allowing the drone to follow you while keeping you perfectly framed, and the enhanced return-to-home feature could provide even more confidence when you're flying far from your starting point. Now, the big question, when can we expect to see the DJI Air 4? According to leaks, we might be looking at a release as early as the second half of 2025, which would fall right in line with DJI's usual release cycles. As for pricing, no official numbers have been revealed yet, but based on the Air 3's price of $1,099, we expect the Air 4 to be competitively priced around the same mark. Overall, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of the year, with potential upgrades to camera quality, flight time, and safety features. Whether you're a professional videographer or just someone who loves capturing incredible footage on your travels, this could be a drone to keep on your radar. So, what do you think? Are the rumors and leaks about the DJI Air 4 enough to get you excited? Or are you holding out for even more info? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in drone tech, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe.